Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have this brand new 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser to show you. This boat's in the matte black with the black fence railings. It's got the power bimini up top and is powered with a 200 horsepower Mercury V6 out back. It's a very well equipped boat and a very popular model for us here in the Lake Norman market. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Stepping aboard here, you're going to notice first this boat has the dune interior and is in the SLDH layout, one of our most popular layouts with this rear lounger here. Got storage underneath, goes all the way through, and then you get a 3-position lounger that can go forward facing, aft facing, and all the way flat as well. Taking it one step back, powered with that 200 horsepower V6, got a ski tow bar right in front of it here that's great for pulling skiers, tubers, and doing all kinds of water sports. Unique to the Harris model lineup of boats, you've also got safety chains attached to the ski tow bar that can go across here, which allows you to ride aft facing legally while you're underway. These also double as fender holders, where you see we've got 2 G5 fenders installed with the quick connects. Last important thing back here at the transom, this boat is equipped with the lily pad easy step ladder. This is an optional upgrade for 2025 model year boats and is very easy to get up and down. You see it's got really nice wide treads on it. It's one of our favorite upgrades for the 2025 model year. On your starboard side walkthrough here, this boat is equipped with a door here. It's awesome if you're boating with pets or kids, keeps them in the boat when you're underway. Again, walking in here, this boat is in the SLDH layout, so you're gonna have the dual helm chairs. Both of these swivel, slide, and recline. Also option them with the Ultralux high back and the flip up bolsters. So it's a very customizable seat. Got armrests, bolster that can rotate to your choosing, and of course, like I said, you can recline it as well. Coming even further forward on this boat, this is equipped with the center ski locker. This is the largest ski locker in the pontoon boat industry. It's got the cover shoved in there right now, but there's a ton of room to put tubes, skis, things like that, extra fenders. It's also got a drain in there to keep water out. Over here at the helm on this boat, we've equipped it with this Simrad screen. It's part of the technology package. It's got a JL audio head unit over here on the port side. Got some manual switching over on the starboard side next to your key switch, as well as a wireless phone charger. Last but not least, over here you have a Mercury digital throttle and shift to control your 200 horsepower outboard. It's a very smooth operation. It's a really nice throttle position as well. Over on the port side, this boat is equipped with the flip out entertainment table. Stows away very easily when not in use. That's mounted just forward of your extra wide boarding door here on the port side. This boat's also got the convenience package, which is going to give you the nice kick panel accent right there in that door. Coming up forward on this boat, it's a very deep and very safe place to sit. You've got USB and USB-C chargers on either side. Also got stainless steel cup holders with RGB lights in them that pair well with your under seat lighting. Under all of these seats up here, you've got great storage as well. Great place to put life jackets and dock lines. Got it under all of these seats here, as well as the seats you see in the back of the boat. That has been a quick overview of this 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser. This boat is in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by our showroom here in Cornelius to check it out in person. Thanks for watching.